everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to add a profile on Prime Video. If you want to add and create a new profile for your Prime Video account, then here is how you can easily do it. First of all, open your Prime Video application from your app drawer and make sure to log into your account. After you are signed in, from the main homepage, go ahead and tap on the profile picture at the top right hand corner. Now, tap on your name displayed at the top where you can see a little drop down, and then this will open up this interface from where you can edit your profiles. Simply tap on the plus icon where it says new in order to create a new profile. Now enter a name for the new profile. Select if this is a kid's profile by toggling on the button right next to kids profile. Now this profile will show only kid-friendly videos. If you don't want to enable kids profile, then you can simply leave the toggle button turned off, and you can also go ahead and set an avatar for your profile. Simply tap on change at the top right under your profile picture and select one of your profile from the options and tap on save at the bottom. And you will now be able to create a new profile for your Amazon Prime Video account. You can have up to 6 profiles on single Amazon account, including the default profile. If you choose to create a kid's profile, then the profiles will have parental controls that restricts access to certain contents. Now you can select your newly created profile and start streaming your favorite TV shows or movies. So that's how you can easily add a new profile on Prime Video account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video. Thank you for watching.